Have you been on the sales side of a real estate transaction where the buyer's inspection comes back with high repair bids that seem inflated? Well, that happened on this Denver 6 unit with 4 furnaces needing replacement. We worked with one of our trusted HVAC contractors to get the work done for half the cost, which helped to keep the deal together. I'm Jay Peterson with West Peak Properties. We recently sold one of our investor clients 6-unit multifamily properties in Denver's Whittier neighborhood at 2304 North William Street. As for the buyers, they already own several nearby multi-unit properties and saw this was a strong fit for a midterm rental strategy due to its close proximity to Denver hospitals, downtown, city park, restaurants, shops, and major commuter routes. Williams is well positioned for midterm tenants like these or for those looking for just a good, strong central Denver location. And this transaction is an example for the advantage of working with brokers like us who are also investors. We know the inspection process can be one of the biggest hurdles to get past. And the contractors we use on our own properties are the same trusted relationships that we bring to our clients. In many cases, they can keep the deal moving forward. So if you're looking to scale up your rental portfolio or simply ready to step away from being an investor, we'd be happy to talk through your options, including several strategies to help defer capital gains, depending on your situation. Thanks, and let us know how we can help.